Morning, everyone. This is a Newsburst for a Friday morning. And while I would agree that for many people the best part of Newsburst is looking at the nice lady next to me, Keller had to go out on her story already today, so she has been dismissed. Sorry. 33 degrees in Milwaukee is your wake-up temperature, 30 degrees in Waukesha today. The rest of the Storm Team forecast from Scott Steele, morning sunshine developing, and then increasing clouds continued mild with a high today near 36. Could see 1 to 2 inches of snow in a snow event coming later tonight. In the news today, you have more charges in connection with the John Doe probe that is ongoing against Scott Walker's administration here in Milwaukee County. This is from when he was county executive. Again, Scott Walker has not been accused of any wrongdoing, and he maintains that he is not a target of this investigation to his knowledge. Nonetheless, you have a couple people who worked in his office who now face charges, one of them felony charges for doing campaign work on county time. That was his deputy chief of staff. Darlene Wink reached a plea deal, or seems to have reached a plea deal, agreeing to plead guilty to misdemeanor charges. Now, she quit her job when this all came to light back in 2010, and at that time, then County Executive Scott Walker sent an email to his staff, and today's TMJ4 obtained that email, and it read in part, now this is then County Executive Scott Walker to his staff saying, "No one can give them any reason to do another story. That means no laptops, no websites, no time away during the workday, etc." Make of all of this what you will, but nonetheless, there are those additional charges in the John Doe investigation. Actual political work being done. State Assembly went ahead and passed that mining bill to clear the way for an iron ore mine up in northern Wisconsin. That now moves on to the state Senate. It did not move on without a long debate and did not move on without Republicans clearing the gallery after repeated interruptions from protesters. Hoping for a peaceful Friday at Milwaukee Washington High School. There have been a bunch of fights there, about a dozen people arrested. Nobody seriously hurt in those fights, but police had to be called at the end of the school day yesterday. Sports, nice win for Bucky, 57-50 winners over Indiana at the Kohl Center. Always nice when we can beat Tom Crean when he comes back to Wisconsin. Andrew Bogut of the Milwaukee Bucks is going to be out indefinitely. He busted his ankle in that injury the other night. Bogut tweeted out a picture of his ankle. It was about this big. And the Pro Bowl is this weekend at 6 p.m. Sunday. Interviewed at the Pro Bowl, Aaron Rodgers said the Packers season was disappointing. Yeah. Have a great weekend, everybody.